guys, it's a Tuesday morning today, and it's a beautiful, beautiful morning. Let me get my hot water going. Yeah, let's see. I had left some footages to upload to the computer last night. It was taking too long, so I pretty much left it to upload last night, and it's done. So now I could start uploading it to YouTube. This video was actually Sunday's video. Was it? Or Monday's video. It's now Tuesday. So let's see what day it is. The 17th. So this is actually Sunday's video. Yeah, this is Sunday's video. Father's Day video. So I'm just now uploading Sunday's video, guys. Bear with me. The videos are long, so it does take some time for me to edit them and get them uploaded. Sometimes it's one day, sometimes I get it done the same day, sometimes I get it done the next day, and then lately it's been like the day after. So I'll catch up though. Maybe by later. Today I have a lot of things on the road to take care of, so hopefully by later tonight I'll catch up, or tomorrow. Anyway, today it's a Tuesday. It's a beautiful Tuesday. Every day it's beautiful. I'm just trying to find the videos, guys. I'm gonna upload the 16th. So the 16th is actually Sunday, right? So let's get that uploaded. And then I'm gonna that one is easy. Happy Father's Day. The heading, the title. As I said, I think of these headings the time of. So as I'm posting it, that's when I pretty much think of the heading. 6/16. 24. So yeah, so let me just post this real quick. I reuse those. It's put in a description, so it's I'm gonna put spent. Let's name it Had Father's Day. I'm spelling it. Father's Day dinner with the kids. And my dad. Okay. So I got my description. I got my title. Let's hit next. Let's see, let's add end screen. This is what I was talking about yesterday with a playlist. I add my playlist to the end screen. So in yesterday's video, while I was talking to a bunch of friends, we were talking about all of this, and at the end of my videos I'll put the one that I posted last plus my playlist. So yeah, all that's there, and then boom 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 boom, automatic. I do an automatic thumbnail, whatever they give me, I'll take that. It's just a lot to come up with thumbnails, taking pictures, put it in. I just use the automatic one. So most of the thumbnails you're gonna see my face unless I specifically put a thumbnail there. All right, so that's being uploaded to the tube. Sunday's video. That's how quick I got it down to where I could do it real quick. So guys, I bought this thing right here. It's summertime. I got the tiki torch thing. It keeps the bugs away. And I also got that little bird feeder thing yesterday to put outside. So yeah, it's a nice day today. It's kind of a little bit overcast. today, but I'm gonna try and find somewhere to put my little bird feeder. I'm gonna probably stick it. So I bought this thing right here. Let me show you. Oh crap! I bought this thing right here. It's like a little hook thing. See, like a little hook. So I'm gonna stick it over in here somewhere, so I could feed my birds. I see a lot of birds back here, guys. So because I see a lot of birds, I'm gonna stick it somewhere in here. I'm thinking it's too low to the ground though. I'm gonna have to put it up high in the trees. Up there somewhere. So yeah. I'm gonna probably put it right here. Right by this tree. It's too rocky, guys. Okay, there's a soft. So let's try that. I'm gonna put my little bird. Oh, if anything, I'll move it. I'll move it. Yeah, I'll probably move it later on if they ain't coming there. But, and then you don't want the squirrels to get in and eat all the stuff out, so that's why I've tried it. I want to put it up high, away from the. I mean, the squirrels climb the trees, but if it sticks off from the tree, maybe they won't get over. Get to it. So I see. Rest it right there. Yeah, guys. This dude's singing. He's singing oh hell this morning. Yeah, guys. So today, I'm gonna leave in a minute. We got the salon clean last night, so we don't have to go there today. But I signed up for this. I sent an application for that TSA pre-check thing. So I gotta go there to finish that process. It's like part of the process you do online, and then part of the process you gotta go into the office to finish it, to do a fingerprint and stuff like that. The TSA pre-check is just when you have this number, it lets you bypass all that taking off shoes and all that stuff, hat and all of that. You just pretty much go through and join the TSA pre-check line, and that line moves faster. That's all that is. You do have to pay $78, and it lasts for 5 years. You have others like Global Entry, Census, or something like that. You have a bunch of other ones, Clear, but this is the cheapest one, and this one just lets you skip that line in most major airports here in America, and some outside of America. Depends on the airport that participates. So yeah, I went ahead and I set up my my sprinkler. So let's turn this on. What I did was run the hose. I run the hose right here. See, I hid the hose right here, and then I run the sprinkler. See, it's hidden on there. And I run the sprinkler. So I'll just leave that sprinkler right there. Yeah, I'll just leave that sprinkler and turn it on, let it run for like 5 minutes, and then turn it back off. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, where I have one sprinkler, and then that one sprinkler will water this side, or maybe two, because this side is huge. But over on that side is the grass keep drying out in just that one section where the sun keeps coming over, that gets the most sunlight. So I put the sprinkler right in that area, so that area could get watered. Like morning time 5 minutes, evening time 5 minutes. We don't waste too much water. Yeah, so I'm gonna get going. I gotta leave here in probably another 10 minutes. I'm gonna get my hot water going, and today I'm expecting the deliver for the hood system for the restaurant. So after I leave there, I'm gonna head back up and go over there. I'm pretty much on standby. From 10 to 4 they have a delivery time, so I'll pretty much just head over there and hang around somewhere close. I'll probably go start taking the ceiling tiles out of the building. Yeah, and then kill some time close over here. So yeah, that's about it. I got a couple of, I would say, maybe adventures coming up to show you guys. It's not adventure, but it's things that I'm doing for that day, so it might be interesting. I mean, it's just a little day off we're gonna be taking, so I would say it's an adventure for me, so it's gonna be an adventure for you guys. This is something that I would normally do. As I said, I'm not doing it choosing to go do these things so I could have content. This is something that we do in our daily life, and I'm showing it to you as I do it. So yeah, let me get this hot water, and then I'm gonna hit the road and get down to that pre-check office, TSA pre-check office. Anyone wanting to know how to do that, is pretty simple. You live here in the United States, just Google it. Just Google TSA pre-check, and it'll take you to the website that you need to go on. Fill it out. It's make sure you go to the government websites. There are third-party websites that offer this service and then charges you to do the application. Make sure any kind of government thing you're doing, make sure go to the direct government websites. Don't be going to the third party, because then you're gonna pay twice. So I don't remember what the website is. I ain't gonna try and look it up and tell you. TSA pre-check stuff, just Google a government TSA pre-check website, whatever, and it costs $78. So if you're paying more, that means you're going through a third party website. Yeah, or you could you could Google a TSA pre-check location and just walk in. Most of those places take walk-ins. It's not that serious. It's not a government agency that does it. Where we're going is the Staples office, like Office Depot, Staples. That's where I'm going to finish the process. So I did part of it online, and then the second half, you just gotta go in and they do fingerprint, check your ID, physically, face to face. So that's all it is. Anyhow, I'm gonna let this water the lawn for about 5 minutes, turn it off, and then head down to the office. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm out and about. We are here at the Peppaz location, back at the gas station. So this morning I went ahead and I went down to the Staples to get the what do you call it, the TSA number done, that the second part of the application. So I'm applying for a TSA number. That way when you go to the airport, you don't have to wait in those long lines and stuff. So that's what I'm working on. So I already went ahead and did that. So I'm heading over to I came over to the salon, not the salon, man, there's so much things going on. I head over to the Peppaz location to wait on the hood. They're delivering the hood today between a certain time window. It's a long time window, between 10 and 4. But I said I could come on in and start taking the ceiling tiles down in the meantime and wait on them. It's now 12 o'clock, so I'll just stay around here and hang out a little bit and get those things done. Then, if they don't show up, I'll just go over by the salon and hang out over there, between there and here. The salon is real close. So yeah guys, I'm here, I'm at the restaurant. Alright, so I'm opening up the door. Open up the lockbox already, got the key out. So you set you guys up right here. I'm gonna get the broom and the ladder up. Give me 1 second. Got the broom. We got our ladder. Alright, so I'm gonna get the back door open. I should have brought me something so I could keep the door open. I'm gonna see if I could find something. Alright, so I used a piece of board I had in the van. Just want to get some fresh air in here, you know. Use that board to catch the door. Yeah, it's you know, musky and, you know, hot in here. There's no air in here, so I'm just gonna let it air out a little bit. Soon as we get our permits and stuff, I'm gonna block the windows out with paper, so you can't see inside. Normally, I don't know what the reason for that is, but whenever you're working on somewhere, they would block the window. It's just that, you know, people walking by, you don't want them to see construction and stuff like that. I don't know if there's a legal reason for that, but everywhere when they're working on it, they always block those windows out. So I'll probably ask the inspectors why they do that. But alright guys, so I got the back door propped open and I got the front door propped open just to get some fresh air in here, you know. There's a lot of dust and stuff in here, so I'm gonna try and sweep in here without, you know, making too much dust. You know what, let's start on one end and then, so this is the tile we're gonna need. I was saying, you see, it's they call it like a vinyl. You could wipe it, so it's got like a plastic cover on it. So that's the tile we're gonna use, and we're gonna take this one down. This is the one that's in there now. So as you can tell, it's got a different texture. It's more like cardboard. So that's what's in here now, up in the ceiling now. So I'm gonna take all these tiles down, especially the area where he's gonna work on the hood. So the hood is going over on this side. So we're gonna take these tiles out so he'll have access to it. All the plumbers and electricians and everybody, they're gonna be up in the ceiling as well. So I'm probably just gonna take all of them out, or most of them, in the areas that I know they're gonna work. So the whole rear half, they're gonna be working. You know, we're gonna be putting in walls right here. You know, walls right here. There's another bathroom is gonna be framed out right there. So because I know all that right there is gonna be done, I'll just take those ceiling tiles out because there's walls gonna be going up there. So with I'm gonna have to remove most of it, you know. Let me get my tape measure and stuff. Tape measure. This one is the electronic one, and then I got a regular tape measure. Today is a nice day, guys. It's not too hot. It's sunny, but it's not too hot. So yeah, it's not too bad. So yeah. So I don't really have to sweep in here because they're gonna come and dig everything up. Everything is gonna get dusty. It's just the areas where the cobwebs and stuff I was trying to get rid of, you know. Somebody left some, like a food box in here. So I was just gonna clean those things up. And anywhere the cobwebs. Because every time I come in here, the webs get, you know. And just de-webbing a little bit, you know. Yeah, I'm just de-webbing a little bit. Let me turn this on to facial. Alright, so it will follow me. Alright. So guys, today is the first day today is gonna be the first day I'm actually doing something in here. Yeah, it's the first day I'm gonna actually do something. Some bit. Something big, you know. I don't want to have those fires. Hope it wasn't a black widow. Coming out in the alcohol. Look at this spray first and spray it. Yeah, whoop on baby spiders in this thing. Got a lot of baby spiders in here. I feel like something biting me though on my foot, I'm not sure. I wonder if it's a spider bite. I mean, you never heard, it was just a little small. Man, I don't know. We'll find out later. There were a bunch of tiny spiders in here. Alright, so let me blow this piece off real quick and then. Sorry about that. I'm gonna take these down. Let's start with this corner right here. See what we see. Alright guys, so I got a couple of them. Yeah. See, I took. So I'm gonna take the ones out that we're gonna be framing the wall first, right? Anywhere the frame, the wall is gonna go, I'm gonna take those out. I'm quite sure I might have to take everything out, just so everybody could move freely up there and do what they gotta do. The electrician gotta do stuff up there. The plumbers gotta do stuff up there. The hood guy gotta do stuff up there. So I'm just gonna take them out. I might just leave the ones in the front right here. These ones in the front is pretty much, we're gonna use that type. We ain't gonna change it to the other type. I'm just gonna do the ones in the kitchen area and in the back area right here. Anything from the front, from the customer area forward, the pickup area forward, we're gonna keep them this. It's just only in the kitchen we have to change those to the wipeable ones. So I'm gonna get to it and start taking them down. Guys, these are brand new. I'm gonna probably sell the ones that we ain't gonna use, and then keep the ones in the front. Alright guys, I'm gonna take these down. I don't want to bore you too much, so I'm gonna take them down, and then when I get done I'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so see we got quite a bit out. I'm working my way towards the back. Alright, so as I said, I'm only taking the ones out where the walls are gonna go at the moment, and then I'm gonna take the section where the hood is gonna go as well. So if you notice, I'm looking at this thing right here. There's a wall right here, wall for the bathroom right there. So those are the ones I'm taking out. The wall by the front door. So we only have one wall right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 walls pretty much we're gonna have, and then a short one right here. So 5 walls. Yeah. So I'm getting to it. I'm taking them out. Alright guys, so this is where we're at. So this is the front door right here. Come through the front door. Alright, this is the front door right here. Come through the front door. And then this area is gonna stay. But anything where those that took out already, all that right here back there, come all the way over here. On this side right here, they're all coming out. That's the kitchen area. So on the kitchen area right here, and the bathrooms, we use a different type. As I showed you before, we use this type, the wipeable type, vinyl type. That one has to come off. So that's what I'm here doing. I'm removing those ceiling tiles. The hood guy is gonna be dropping off they shipped out the hood, so the hood's supposed to be delivering today. So it's going where that sheetrock is. It's going on the ceiling up there, right there. So I don't know if it's mounted below these tracks, the drop ceiling, or he's gonna go up above past the grid. If he's going up above that grid, we're gonna have to remove all the whole grid in that section. So I'll figure out from him if he goes below or above it, and then we'll figure it out from there. But for now, I'm just removing the tiles. I'm not demoing anything or anything. I'm just taking the tiles out. That way we could see what's going on up there, because the plumbers have to run their pipes. See how that blue pipe right there? That's a blue PEX pipe that's going towards the bathroom. So they have to run more PEX pipe all over, over where the sink is. They have to run vent pipes up there. The drain pipes are going to go in the floor, but electrical guy has to come in and run his electrical to where everything is going. He's going to have to do AC. So those shine pipes you see right there, that's the AC. So they're gonna have to rearrange those AC duct to go, where they need to be, as per the plan. So on the plan it tells them where to put each lighting. So all those lighting you see right there, they're gonna have to redo them to put them where they need to be, the way they design it on the plan. So it's quite a bit of work, guys. This is the first step. We haven't started working as yet. All I'm doing is just removing the tiles so the contractors could take a look and see what's going on up there. That's all I'm doing. We shouldn't start work for another week or 2, depending on where we get our building permits. We won't be constructing anything. The plumber is on standby. Everybody's on standby right now waiting for the permits. So all I'm doing is just removing the tiles at this point so we could see what they have to do, when they get in here. The hood guy don't need our permit. He could go ahead and start. So really and truly, that's what I'm doing. I'm removing the tiles so the hood guy could work, because he don't need our building permit. He has a special permit that they go and get to install that. So yeah, I'm on it. I'm gonna get back with you. I'm taking them out little by little until I get this side done. So all right here is gonna come out. All right here is gonna come out. This section is gonna stay the same, because in the customer area we don't have to change the tiles. We could keep those tiles right there up here. So maybe I'll probably change them out in the future for the fancy ones, but it's not required by the departments to change these. We could use that style. It's just in the kitchen area we have to have those wipeable ones, vinyl ones. All right, so I'm gonna get working, get these out. In the meantime, I'm waiting on the delivery for the hood. So that's why I say, hey, let me do this in the meantime, kill some time until they get here. It's still kind of early. They said between, initially it was 1 and 4 or 10 and 4. Initially it was 1 and 4 and they said 10 and 4, so it's now 1 o'clock. So I'll just, you know, hang out around here and do what I could do in the meantime. So check back in, guys. I'm on it, we working. So I'm getting it done. All right, check back in. I'm gonna do it in intervals. I'm not gonna video the whole thing of me removing it, just different sections. So when I get another section done, I'll continue recording. But hey, this is what I do, life every day. We on it, we working. See, we have a Peppaz work shirt. We're all here. As I said, I'm gonna try and give you as much content as far as this build, and you know, whatever I know when it comes to these building, I'll try and, you know, let you guys know what's going on. That way you could know what to expect. See, like these walls right here has to be fire rated. So you see how they go all the way up to the ceiling, and they use that red fire silicone to seal this space from the next space. So it has to be a firewall on this side, and it has to be a firewall on that side. If there's no firewall, you'll fail inspection. Now this building, when they build it, it had to be inspected. So because it had to be inspected, that part is good. So the building is good. But when you're building, we don't have to put another firewall. If you notice, they don't put the red silicone on the interior walls, on the bathroom section. See, there's nothing, no red silicone up there. So on the interior walls, you don't need to be fire rated. They still went up all the way because it's bathrooms. So it's just the walls that separate one suite to the next suite. You have to put fire walls there. So there, some buildings, they don't have these walls when you rent them, right? It's one open space, so you have to put that wall in, going all the way up. So in those cases, it costs more because you have to go all the way to the ceiling to separate those two suites. So yeah, if you're getting somewhere and the tenant is not giving it, the landlords are not giving the tenants incentives, at least negotiate them putting in these walls. Because if they don't put in these walls, it's gonna cost you a lot more to get those walls all the way to the ceiling, to get done, right? So yeah, I'm on it. I'm gonna keep taking those tiles down and wait on the delivery. All right, check back in. Hello? Yeah, how's it going, Michael? Yeah, I'm here. Alright guys, sorry about that. That was the delivery guys. But the hood guy, he said the delivery guy is here, but I didn't see him. So, hello? Okay, alright. So I'm here though, I'm here. Oh, I see what's going on. It's attracted to her. Well, average, yeah. You won't hear it. Can you lower your gate? Can you lower the gate a little bit? Lower the gate. Yeah. Yeah, that's good right there. Yeah. So you the man, you do this every day. You the man. Eh? You the man, eh? So? Yeah. We're gonna make you famous today. Yeah, that's it. I'll just move forward a little bit. Yeah, I'll move forward a little bit. Yeah. Ghana.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all I feel like, man. Enjoy yourself.
Yeah. It's short.
When you die, everything's gone.
Yeah. You understand? Alright.
One more. And you pull your last thing. Just
last name? truck complete.
Thank you.
All right, I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Yeah, have a good one. Be safe. How many more trips you got? Two. And you done for the day?
No.
What time you gotta go back and
I got to pull the truck and carry back
Again?
Yeah, go stop again.
what time you start?
9:30. Probably going home by 9:30.
Oh, so you do like a 10 hour maybe?
11 hours.
11 hours?
Sorry, I'm late. 11 hours.
Okay. Woo.
I had to 5:11. Man. I'm tired.
Yeah. All right, I appreciate it, man. Take care. Thanks. Yeah. All right, guys. So, see, what I did, put everything in the truck. I put the hood inside the truck, and then I'm gonna back the truck up to the doors and then unload it into the space. Yeah, it's kind of heavy, but we'll get it done. I mean, I'll get it done. I've moved these things around a lot in the past, so I'm just gonna set you guys up right here. That way you could see me back up to the door. Yeah, all right. So just see what's going on now. Alright guys, so see, hood is right there. I'm just gonna take some pictures right now so I can send it to my hood guy. Just, you know, make sure everything is there. Alright, I'm gonna measure it as well. Alright guys, I think we got the wrong size here. Let me just double check. Alright guys, so I'm gonna see if we could get this off. Alright guys, so this is actually getting it up. Set it up, put it on a ramp. And put it in. That's how I did it. By myself. That's how you move big things by yourself, guys. So that's the hood right there. And this is the ramp. So I always travel with these two pieces of board. It'll save your life when you have a pickup truck. Slide heavy things out or in, you know. Yeah. But that's it. I'm gonna just slide it over into the corner and go from there. Alright guys, so it's a bit heavy, but we got it there. I'm just gonna pack the truck back up, finish taking the tiles out, and then go from there. Yeah guys, so that is it. That is it. However, we have one small issue. So we spoke about 12-foot hood. This is a 10-foot hood. So call the hood guy. He's gonna have to reorder a 12. I don't know, maybe they're gonna send this one back or something, but we had actually spoke about a 12-foot hood, and you know, he ordered the wrong one pretty much. So now we're gonna have to get the right one. So let me remeasure it just to make sure. Yeah, it's a 10-foot.
What's going on? What's going on?
How's it going? How's it going? Which one?
The hood.
What
the
is this?
kitchen? The hood.
Kitchen.
Yeah.
Ah.
That goes that sucks the air out.
Do you have one door?
No, it's two door. One door. One door. One door. That one is for both.
Ah, two
Yeah,
door
yeah,
down
yeah,
400.
yeah, yeah.
When will you open? When will you open?
Yeah, we're trying to do what's
In a month?
Yeah, guys. So that's the guy from next door. Real cool guy. He's from Turkey. Turkey. Yeah. So I'm gonna continue taking the tiles down, the ceiling tiles. See, I'm halfway through, guys. So I'm gonna take all those tiles down, the rest of them on this side, and then once I'm done with that side, I'm gonna get out of here. However, I was saying the hood is a 10-foot hood. We're supposed to be getting a 12-foot hood. So that's the wrong hood right there they sent. So he's gonna reorder another one, and then we go from there. Yeah, that's a 10-foot hood right there. Yeah, that's a 10 foot. Yeah, we won't be able to use a 10 foot. The equipment we're getting is won't fit under a 10 foot. So he's gonna order another one, a different one. All right, guys. So let me get to it and we go from there. All right, guys. So we got the front part. We got this section. So now I just gotta remove this part and over there. So it's coming along. Let me set you up right here so we could. So yeah, guys, so as you can tell, see, everything is gone now, right? Only the lights are left. The lights, the return vent, so everything on this side is gone. Everything on that side is gone. So this section we're gonna leave, and we're gonna leave this section because that section is the customer area, so we don't have to change those tiles per health department, right? We don't have to change those tiles. These tiles, on the other hand, we have to change, put the vinyl ones, right? And then there's no walls gonna go right here. All the walls that we're gonna build is gonna be behind here, right in line with that door. Then we're gonna have a few walls right here. One for the bathroom that's framed out for the bathroom, and then a little hallway wall right here. So those lights we will have to remove and put them in different locations, pretty much. Yeah, we'll move them to the locations we want them to be. So yeah, water lines, so far it's going next door. That blue line right there, the water line, it's going next door. So I'm going to have to figure out where did that line come in, that water line come in, and then they'll have to get our water line to the meter into this space. So we'll see. Where did it come in? I'm not sure. I know it's out by the street out there, the water lines. There's 2 meters out there, so we'll have to see where it comes in, so that we could get our water in here. So yeah, That's that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna move these that I stacked right there. I'm gonna move those into that room. So let me set you up right here so you could see what's going on. As I said, I left the corner ones in. The corner ones I left in because that way when we put the new one in, we could just take that piece out, cut it, put it in, cut, you know. We don't have to be measuring, as I said, you know, we don't have to be measuring each piece manually. With the piece, it's already cut already, so it'll have that shape, that triangle shape or whatever shape it is. When we take it out, we just trace it on the new one, cut it, put the new one back in. If you understand what I'm saying. I took a while just to explain that, guys. But anyhow, let me move these into this room, and then we're done for the day. Alright guys, so we got done. We moved all our tiles from there. Moved them in to that room. So now I'm just gonna pack up, roll up our plans, and then we can get out of here. So now we have a better view of what needs to be done. See? So, if the hood guy is gonna need to remove this section of the track, we'll just remove it. That way he could put what he's putting up there. That light, I'm gonna have to remove that light, so I'm gonna disconnect it and then take it out of the matter of fact, we can use that for the power for the hood. Let's see. It's this one. Yeah, we could use one of those for the power for the hood. Yeah. This one is the, I'm looking at the breaker, guys. So this one is the exit lights plus exit, and then this one is number 4 is the store plug, number 6 is the store plug, bathroom GFCI, and then hand dryer. So the bathroom has a plug for a hand dryer somewhere. Yeah, right there. GFCI right there. Got a plug, a hand dryer right there. Yeah, guys. So that's the exit sign right there. Yeah, so I'm trying to trace where the exit sign is because they didn't mark it. So that's the exit wire right there. Exit light wire. So it comes in this. It comes in this one right here. And goes all the way to that box. all the way back there. And then we got that one. Sorry, that N1 right there. Okay. So let's see what's up. So this that one that's coming across that goes to that light, we could use that for the vent for the lights, the hood. Could use that breaker for the hood right there. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So it's pretty straightforward. We'll get it done. We'll knock it out. I'm gonna have to do a lot of this work myself, like the ceiling tiles and stuff like that. I'll have to do it myself. You know, it's you know, like the floors. I'm planning on doing the floors too myself. It's a lot of work, but we'll get it done. You know, once the walls are in, we'll get it done. The walls, we'll do the FRP. I'm gonna do the FRP on the walls as well. So, but yeah, we'll get it done, guys. You know. Alright, guys. So I got everything packed away. I got all the ceiling tiles stacked in this room right here. It's kind of dark in here, but we got them stacked. Let me close this. Back door is closed. The hood, guys, they ordered the wrong one, man. So we're gonna have to wait on the other one. Initially, I'd wanted a 10-foot hood, but then because we have a grill, a stove, and the oven and 2 fryers, it won't fit under there. It's calling for a 12-foot hood. The plans and everything has a 12-foot hood on it, so there's no way we could use a 10. So the hood, the guy that the hood company, he said he's gonna reorder another one. So we'll just wait on it. We have no choice. Let me roll this back up and then. And if I come back the next time, I'm gonna mark the walls out in terms of where the walls are gonna go. I'm gonna actually mark them out and you know, try to get an idea of what the space is gonna look like in terms of the walls. See, that's the front door right there. You notice the walls right here. You got a wall right here, wall right there, one right there, one right here. That's the bathroom right there. So I'm just gonna mark all of those out and, you know, go from there. You know. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna pack this up and then head on over to the house. I haven't ate all this. I only ate like some oats and some fruits and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go over and get something to eat. It's now 3 o'clock. I gotta get my daughter later on this evening. She's at soccer, so I'm gonna get her later on tonight. Drop her home. So anyway, check back in. I did quite a bit of work today. I removed the ceiling, as you could see. I removed all the ceiling from all the way from there, come all the way around, you know, all the way back up to here, right? And then we left this section because this section is gonna be the front area. This section we could use those tiles, but health department, county, whoever, we can't use the regular ones for the back in the kitchen. Kitchen area has those wipeable, washable, wipeable ones. Right, so we're in good shape. I'm just gonna get with the hood guy. If he needs us to remove those grids, I'm gonna remove the grids for his section where he's gonna work, and then you know, continue from here. The walls is next. Once we get our building permit, we could do our walls. Once we do our walls, the plumbers can come and start cutting the floor, putting the grease trap, stuff like that. So I'm just waiting right now on I'm just waiting on on the permits pretty much. All right, so let me get to it. I'm gonna go home and chill out for a minute, get something to eat. All right, guys, I'll check back in. Guys, I'm back at the salon. I stopped by to put some codes in for a tenant. We got daily rentals going on, so I gotta program the codes. Some I do remotely, and then the ones for the door I do them manually. So I had to come and put some codes in for tomorrow, and just check on the place, make sure it's cleaned. So how's the day going now? I went home, got something to eat real quick, came back down just to clean up. So now I'm heading over to the Ross or Marshalls. See if I could find some shorts. But yeah, went to the restaurant today, did some remove the ceiling tiles from the restaurant, received the hood system, but the hood for the hood they sent was the wrong length. They sent a 10-foot hood. We're supposed to get a 12-foot hood. So I don't know, it could be where the hood company sent out the wrong hood, or it could be where the wrong hood was ordered from my hood installation guy. So he went ahead and called them up and see if he could order the right one. So they're gonna send out the right one in a few weeks, not a few weeks, in a few days. So hopefully we'll get it by, I would say, next week sometime, hopefully. If not, it'll be another 2 weeks or so, but it's on its way, so we ain't too worried. It's now 7 o'clock. I gotta go get my daughter at 8:30, so I'm just gonna kill some time up here and go to Ross and Marshall, see if we could, find some shorts. All my shorts, it's summertime, it's hot, guys. All my shorts are messed up, so I'm trying to get at least 2 or 3 shorts. Yeah, so we're on it. We're still on it. The day is still going. Oh look, this is the guy that delivered the hood. That's the guy right there in the trailer. This trailer right here. He's the one who delivered the hood today. Look, he's still working. He said he had to go back. He do like a 10 or 12 hour shift, he said. So he actually, what a coincidence. I went on the road. He delivered it from early today, 2 o'clock maybe, and he's still on the road delivering. He said he was gonna go back, get another one, and hit the road again. So imagine that, he's just here delivering stuff all day. Like, he's still on the road. It's 7 o'clock. He came by like around 2 o'clock, and he said he started 10. So yeah, it's going. Yeah. So we on it. We still working, man. Yeah, he's the guy. You'll see him in my video earlier. I have him on video when we were unloading the thing from the back of the truck. Yeah, we're unloading the hood from the back of the truck. He's the guy who delivered it. That's crazy. A whole 5 or 6 hour passed, and I ran into him again on the same road. The Peppaz is behind us up the street. So yeah, that's him right there. That's him. Yep. Same guy. Yeah, anyhow, so yeah, we on it. We still going, guys. My day ain't gonna end until probably around 10 o'clock tonight. By the time I pick up my daughter and do all of that, and then by the time I get home, then it's gonna be around 10. So we just just doing what we gotta do, yo. This is life every day. This is what I do, you know. All morning. This morning, the day started out. I got up early from 6:30, came down 7. I was there uploading some videos, editing some videos. Then 9 o'clock, I left, went down to the Staples to do the TSA card, to get my TSA number. The number that we use when we're traveling, it lets us skip the line, the check line. So I went to do the TSA, get the TSA number. So I went to do that 10, came back up, went home, get myself together, and then head out. Came to the restaurant, was at the restaurant doing the tiles most of the day. I was there from like 11 to like 3. Yeah, about 11 to 3 or 4 when I left. By the time they delivered the hood, and I was finished taking the tiles down. So then I went back home, did some more videos, edit some more videos, got something else to eat for lunch. Well, that was the first time I'm getting something to eat. So I got something to eat in the evening, took a shower, wash all that stuff that fell out of the ceiling off of me, and then now I'm back on the road. So today is a busy day, guys. We're on it. Now I'm coming over to the mall. I'm not going inside the mall, but I'm going to the on the outside. There should be a Ross or a Marshall somewhere. Let's see. Oh, there it is right there. It's a Ross over there. So I'm just gonna run in there real quick, guys, and then I'm gonna run in there real quick and get me some see if they have any shorts. The good thing about me and shorts, the shorts that I wear are small, right, or medium the most, but some things, but the small section is always just a tiny section. So if I go in there and there's nothing in that little small section, it don't make no sense I even, search anymore, it don't make no sense I search anymore, because the small section in every store is always so small, so yeah. So alright, let me go over on this side, see if I could get me a closer parking, because I ain't trying to walk all over. I think I'm gonna get anything closer than this one right here. Alright guys, let me park and then